You'll excuse me for my diction, which may not extend beyond what I have. Courier, conveyor belt, and most obliged, my lord. So, my lord, after relaying this message, this communication, transmitting it, actually they just transmitted the communication from the Chief Justice. After the transmission of that document, no evidence is shown that action was taken by the Minister of Defense. And they have the lucky job of telling this honorable court that the process is ongoing. My lord, I'm concluding. And they are saying they are overwhelmed by work. This is the point I wanted to make. What work are they overwhelmed by? Because theirs was to transmit the letter to the Minister of Defense and the attorney and the DPP. So what work is it that they are doing? What is it that is overwhelming them? Because they are not involved in the process of the transfer of the files. They have admitted on record. They are not involved. So what is it that they are doing which is overwhelming them? I submit that actually they are not doing anything. And I pray that court should not in any way, my lord, countenance in whatever they are doing, which violates Article 23. Whatever they needed to do in as far as transfer of charges, if any, it should have been within the context of no, if they wanted to prove that there is any action being taken, most obliged, my lord. Most obliged, my lord. The final one, my lord, is still on the legality of the detention. My lord, it's our submission that once the Supreme Court quashed the proceedings of the General Court Martial, once those proceedings were quashed, the remand warrant had to fall by the wayside. And if at all it had been saved, like they have argued, it lapsed. My land friend here, Segon and others submitted extensive from that. It lapsed on the 3rd of August. Rather, sorry. It expired on the 3rd of Feb. And to date, my lord, it cannot just be some, yes? It can't be resurrected. And the reason, and these prisons authorities who are here, they normally move with a document for extension. Do they have one? That we have it here, which can be extended? They don't have any. And this honorable court, my lord, cannot give them any remand warrant. I beg to submit.
My lord, if I may be...